Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a music playlist in Roblox Studio. With this system you will be able to add as many soundtracks as you want, without additional code. So let's get started. Firstly, create a folder in Workspace and name it Music. Secondly, create a script in the folder and type these. The while true loop will make the playlist go on infinitely. The for loop loops for every single object in the folder. The if statement checks if the current object is a sound object. If it's a sound object, we play it. And then we wait for the sound to finish before playing the next one. The script is done, let's add some music from the toolbox. Okay, now let's check if it works. Yes, it's working as expected. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas or requests, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.